Hello, good evening to you all. My name is Mohammed Isiaka Babao. As we all know, today is our day 33 of this capacity building training for 1,000 Nigerian civil servants on ICT, which is organized by Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. As we all know, this program is going to hold for about 40 days, and today is the 33 of this program. As usual, we are going to start by showing our outlines. That is we are we are going to cover for the day. We are going to have a recap on the 32. That is what we discussed about yesterday class, and then talks about filtering and sorting in Microsoft Excel, and then we are going to have our Q&A, that is question and answer, then conclusion, and call it a day. Recap on the 32. We talks about nested if, that is if formula that takes more than two conditions. I believe you all understood our ifs formula. That is what we call by nested if. And we use our ifs formula to form our grade formula. So I believe you all understood what we did concerning yesterday class. If you have any question concerning that, you can please go back to our WhatsApp group chat. A video link will soon be dropped so that you can rewatch the video and put yourself through. So today we are going to talk about filtering and sorting. When we said filtering means selecting a subset of data based on specific condition. For example, you are given a data of thousands of people, both male and female. So you are to check how many females you have or how many males you have. So you have to use your filtering in order for you to filter only male. Then you use your function or your serial number to count how many males you have. Then you now filter females also to know how many females you have. We are going to take practical aspect of that so that you can see what I really mean by that. I believe you will understand more when we get to the practical aspect. Then sorting. Sorting sorting in Microsoft Excel means arranging data in a particular order for like ascending or descending order. It helps you to organize and analyze data quickly. So when we said by ascending or descending order, ascending orders means from A to Z. For example, you want to arrange names of lists that you have, or names of your student list, or names of your workers by alphabetical orders. So you have to sort out those names so that um it will arrange from alphabetical order, or for example in ascending order, it starts from lowest to highest number, that is 0 to, for example, 9 number, that is lowest to highest. Then when we said by ascending and descending, sorry, descending order means to start from highest to lowest. For example, if you want to arrange your name of students in alphabetical orders, then you want to start from Z to A. Then you just have to use your sorting techniques, or you want to insert a numbers of salary from highest salary earner to lowest salary earner. You have to sort out your distance. So let's go to our Microsoft Excel interface and take a practical concerning that. Okay, so let's use this our table to take this practical aspect of filtering and sorting. For example, in filtering, you are going to click on your heading in order for you to filter. For example, you want to filter names, so you just have to click this your heading, then you come to your ribbons here, then you now click on filter here. This is as you can see, this is filter. Then you click on this filter. As you can see, it appears, this arrow appears, so you just have to click your arrow. For example, I would just want to see this Muhammad Ishaq details, so I will just click on this arrow. It will shows me all the names I have here, so I will just unselect all. Then where is Muhammad? This is Muhammad Ishaq. Then I will now select on this Muhammad Ishaq, then click on OK. This is the only details that will show me. So by default, if you want to bring back all the details, you just have to select all. Then you now click on OK. Or if you want to select some few, you can just deselect all. Then you pick 2 or 3. Let's say we pick 3 names. Then I click on OK. You see, this is what is going to show me only these 3 details that I filter. So filtering is just like you to give it command, whatever you want to see. So this is what we call by filter, sorry. So this is what we call by filtering. Then if you want to also remove the filter, you can just go back to your filter here under your home, under your ribbon here, you can just enter your filter here. Then you click on this filter. You see the arrow has gone. So we are no more on filter again. Then let's talk about sorting. For example, this my table. I want to sort out the list of students in alphabetical order. I want to make A, B, C, T to Z if I have Z in my names. So I just have to highlight all my table like this from here. Highlight my table like this, all my table. Then I'll now click on sort like this. Then it will give me option. Did I want to set sort A to Z or Z to A? That is ascending or descending. So let me set ascending. That is A to Z. Then I'll now click on A to Z. You see by default, can you see Abdul Majid, Ahmad, Aliyu, Aminu, then followed by B. I can't pronounce the name, please. Then Fatima Mubarak, Hafiz, Dalat, Muhammad Ishaq, till end. So, for example, let me go back. This is how my table is. As you can see, let's say, as you can see, this Aliyu Bala have E, that is 39.5. So let's sort out this thing. All the details of Aliyu Bala will follow because I highlighted all the table. Will follow anywhere the Aliyu Bala appears in the table after sorting out everything. So if I highlight, as you can see, Aliyu Bala scored 39.5, that is E. So if I sort A to Z like this, where is Aliyu Bala? Aliyu Bala. And this Aliyu Bala, as you can see, Aliyu Bala takes his details,
Okay.
everything. He scored at 9.5 and have A grade. So that is what we call by this thing, by sorting. That is A to Z. Then let's sort out Z to A. That is Z to A. As you can see, Yusuf appear first, then Yahya. As you can see, all the A's are down here. So this is way of sorting. Then let me talk about the custom way of custom. For example, You want to sort out lowest number to highest number. Let's say we want to use this total. As you can see, this total is under column F. Then I just have to highlight this my cell like this. Then click on filter and sorting. Then I'll now click on this custom sort. Okay, fine. This custom sort now, as you can see, it shows me three places. This sort by full name, then sort on, order by, as you can see. So this sort by, I want to sort out this their total marks from highest to lowest. So this sort by, I will now click on this arrow and click on column F. As you can see, column F here falls under my total. So I want to use my total to sort out highest to lowest. So I'll now click on column F. After clicking on column F, then as you can see, by default, it changed to largest and to smallest. Why? Because column F is numbers, is numbers. That's why it shows largest to smallest. So if I want it to be smallest to largest or largest to smallest, I will now select on all. So let me select largest to smallest. Then I will now click on OK. As you can see, this is the highest number, highest mark, followed by 71, 65, 55, downward. So that is way of this thing, sorting out numbers also, or any other thing. So I believe you all understood this filtering and sorting. So I think there's I think I think you all understood this. So please, if you have question, please you can ask. Or mute yourself, please. If you have a question, you can ask concerning to this class. Wa alaikum salam. Allah ya.